We have much to do today, but first, Tori, the bird scene.
I'm ready. And before I begin, I'd like you to have these 2 large coconuts.
Wonderful. You know, their milk gives me visions.
I've heard.
Very good. Everyone pay attention. Tori.
1 sec.
Ooh, a backdrop.
And I am ready.
Delightful. Action.
It was 1934 when my husband left me. Alone. Living on the prairie was a dreary existence. No telephone, no radio, only a large, majestic bird with whom I shared my feelings. One day when I was feeling low, I said to him, "Oh, bird, you can fly. You can soar miles from this lonely place, yet you stay. Why?" And apparently, my question rang true. For that afternoon, the bird left. And so went my spirit. So, was that good?
Exactly what are you asking me?
You know, did you like what I did with the scene?
Sure.
So, did I get it right?
Oh, no. You failed. Again.
What? Why? I did everything that you...
Hey, watch where you throw your props.
Cat! Hey! You have to try something.
Handcuffs?
Uh-huh. Put them on one wrist.
Okay.
Good. And now we lock the other part around here.
Fun.
Okay, now try these.
Ooh, candy. These are so hot. What are these?
Choo-choo peppers.
Ah, they're burning my mouth.
I know. Want some water?
Yes.
Tell me the secret of the bird scene.
I can't, and I need water.
Oh, fine.
Wait, Tori. Water.
What you doing?
Angrily throwing books in my locker, can't you tell?
Have you figured out how you're gonna decorate it yet?
Yes. Look, I put a